Hello guys, before starting to describe my project of email sending, I will just show you how the email sending in Java we will handle using Java mail APIs. Okay, my name is Hira Babu and I'm a industrial trainer of Java for cloud computing. We need to use the following steps to send email via HTML form and Java servlet using Java Mail APIs. We need to set up IMAP like as below. Steps has been copied from Gmail. Step 1, check that IMAP is turned on or not. If your computer need already a configured IMAP and IMAP is enabled already, then you do not need to use these steps. Otherwise, if you have not previously enabled IMAP, then you need to open your Gmail and go to the setting tab and follow the following steps as well. These are the IMAP setting in your email client. To send a email via any email client, we need to know about the incoming server and outgoing mail server SMTP, and the full name of your name or email address and password we should know. If we want to send a mail from our mail client, right? This is the mail server, right? smtp.gmail.com is a mail server and required SSL is very important. TLS is also required if available and authentication is also available. So the methods of message we need to call or we need to put the properties of smtp.gmail.com or SSL or TLS. We will show you how will it is started. Port number of SSL is 465, but the port number of SMTP or TLS or star TLS is 587. We need to use this port number. Do not recommend any other port if you have like 25 or 465 or any other. We have only follow 587 port number. Okay, fine. If you log in, I have logged in my Gmail account which is as below. If you press this icon setting tab, you will get a drop down like as below. You need to select setting tabs, right? When you click on the setting tabs, you will find a new tab setting, home setting button, and you have a number of gender, label, button, accounts, import and other home, but we need to click on the forwarding and pop IMAP home tab, and then you need to select the radio button of enable IMAP that I have already checked like 1 and 2 and mark. I have already marked, sorry, and you need to press save button as below you have it is not displaying. You need to press the save button, right? If you will not do the previous setting, you will be got exception like as below. Mail connection exception could be like as below, just like is smtp.gmail.com maintain or time is -1, or other you can get a com.son.mail.ut.mail connect exception. You will get some of the exception like as below, right? First, I suggest you download the mail API, which is 1.6 mail API jar version. I will show you. I have already downloaded the mail API, which is as below. This is the mail API, right? I have already used. This is the mail API. You need to download this. You will get two folder, mail and mail API, right? There are a lot of mail function available, or mail classes are available. You need to check it out, right? Come to the point on the slide. When you will fill all the form, you need to create a extend.html form, which is like as below. To I have given the form, and it is when you create all the project. I have created the project, and all the field has been filled. When I press send button, I will get the message like this, and this is happening on the local host, right? I will suggest you that you need to create first an HTML form, and then you need to create a send mail sublet, right? You will have to pass the 3 parameter on HTML form, name as to, subject and message, and you will get all the values on the variable to, subject and message, right? We need to create a Java classes to create a method sending mail, where I have to send 3 variables to, subject, message. So that I need to create a Java class. Public class send mail. This is my class, right? I have created a static method send to, subject and message. I have passes my username and password, which is as below. You need to change accordingly, right? Give the password of your Gmail. Call the properties class and create a object of the properties class. You need to put the properties of server, like mail.smtp.host, which is smtp.gmail.com, and port number is 587, and in start TLSS should be enabled true, and debug need to true, and authentication should be true. These are the properties I have to put on the properties object. Then we need to create a session of get instance class, where I need to pass pop-up pops. Always use get instance, not get default, right? If you want to get session as a default, it may give you error. But if you create a session instance of that you have created the properties object, we need to pass on there, and at runtime we need to create javax.mail.authenticator, in which we have to pass both username password as a return type, and we need to pass the protected class, and we need to create a get password authentication. Overall, I have to say that you need to create a send mail class, sending mail class, and we need to create a static method so that I can pass sending mail dot send button, and there in sending mail send method we need to pass these 3, so that I have already composed the try catch in my send method, and which is as we need to first create my message method and pass the session that I have created previously. First, that I have created the session. Second, we need to compose 4 methods of my message set from where from the user need to pass add recipient, set subject, and set x. These should be passed, also be called. After that, the third step, we need to send a message. To send a message, we need to call send method of transport class. So I have passed transport.send as a message. We have passed, and if you got this message send on the console, it means you have sent already a message. Now project structure is dynamic web project in Eclipse IDE, which is I have already created. You need to create a servlet, you have to create a model class, and you have to create a send HTML form. And this HTML form should be linked to index.jsp file. And in the lib folder, I have pasted javax.mail 1.5.6 jar files, and JSTL MySQL connector. This is not recommended.